Okay, I like it.
All right, I deal with a lot of investors, and so does Sandy, and so does Preston. But one of the interesting things that Sandy has is something I didn't know about, or if you told me, it's like my cereal this morning, it's gone. Investment renovation loans. What in the world? When did they do that?
We haven't had it in a long time, but it's out now.
You gotta be kidding.
Nope, and it's good stuff. I mean, it's still gonna be like a conventional loan at 75%, but if you buy a house and you have a good deal and it needs some renovations in order to make it financeable, we can finance those up to $453,100. So we take the
453,105 out.
That's right. You're gonna have to put that other 5 down.
I used to like it.
Well, we have it for primary, investor, and second homes.
Oh, really? Second homes too?
Yeah, second homes too, but I thought I'd throw that out there on the investor because we have not seen that in so long.
Yeah, I mean, I can't remember the last time. I know on the primary they have that, what is it, 203K?
203K, and this is the equivalent to that.
Of a 203K for investment property.
Right.
Wow. So, is there any kind of limitation on how long you have to keep the loan?
No. Well, I'd like you to keep it 6 months.
Yeah, but I mean, okay, but it ties into your 30-year loan?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So it's not like a 5-year thing, it's a 30-year thing?
It's a 30-year loan, yeah.
Okay. And is the rate the same as your initial loan?
The rate is a little bit higher.
Okay, like half a point, a point?
Last one I did, it seems like it was right at a half percent higher.
See, that's nothing.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not for, not if you don't have to go through like a construction loan and then, or pay cash and then use money, and so it makes it easier for investors.
So how is the money distributed? Is it put into like a line of credit and you use it against the construction? Is it given to you all at closing? How is the money distributed?
It's just like a construction loan, so they hold it in escrow, and as the work is completed, then they release portions until it's complete.
Okay, so if Preston and I buy a house and it needs floors and it needs a refrigerator and it needs a roof and it needs
structural, cosmetic, all that.
and then we can take that money and hand an invoice to whom?
Yeah, so we get a bid, and we get a contract on it, and then we do an appraisal as if the work were already complete.
Okay, so as built. Yeah.
And then we lend on that, the full amount. Yeah, so 25% down.
Who holds the money and distributes it? To
The lender.
lenders? Okay.
We do.
How long does it take for the vendor to get paid?
Not too long. When they submit the draw request, it's probably a week.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty good. I'd be up for that.